Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use all translate, rotate, symmetry, scaling and affinity command is discussed here, and this is a wireframe and surface design. All translate, rotate, symmetry, scaling, affinity command is discussed here one by one, and all is same process. CATIA part drawing, then is all is command is discussed here already, but today is discussed here is wireframe and surface design, and this surface design is a translate, rotate, symmetry, scaling and affinity command is discussed here. Okay, two command is discussed here, translate and rotate, and then next lecture is a three command is discussed here. Okay, at first drawing any 2D drawing, then use a translate and rotate command is a discuss here. Okay, at first drawing a spline command, and this is a okay, this is a exit. Okay, exit, and use a extrude, and some drawing is a draw here, and okay, this surface body is drawing here, and use a command is a translate and rotate. Okay, and at first click a translate, and then translate definition is pop up, and vector definition is a direction, distance, okay, point to point and coordinate. Okay, and direction distance is a element select, this is a select element. Okay, and distance select any plane is a okay, this plane is a ZX plane, select here, and some distance is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some distance is a 12. Okay, this is a correct, and 12. Okay, double click here, 12, and 15 is a also correct. Okay, and double click here, and some use a repeat object after. Okay, and then use a 3 4 instance is 4, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this curve is hide, and color is also click here, this is a separate color. Okay, control Z. Okay, not hide. Okay, color change, this is color is separate, pink color, and this color is a also change here, this is a blue color. Okay, and this is also, this color is a okay, this color is also change this color, and this color is also change a green color. Okay, this color is a change a super this color. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a perfect drawing. Okay, and this body is correct, and second is a rotate. Okay, this is a undo. Okay, this is a correct. And second is a rotate. Okay, and rotate is definition is pop-up, and definition mode is axis angle. Okay, or axis angle element, this face is select here. Okay, and axis is this axis. Okay, axis select here, angle any angle is a draw here. This is a correct, this body is a correct. Okay, angle any angle is draw here. The angle is a, this is a 230, this is a more, but drawing a, okay, this is a perfect body is a drawing here. Okay, and okay, and repeat object, then click OK, and repeat is a 4. Okay, this is a correct, this is a also correct. Okay, and this color is a also change, this is a pink color, and this is a color is a, okay, this color, and this color is a green color. Okay, this color is a, okay, this color. Okay, and this color is a, okay, this is a, this color, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a correct zoom. Okay, this is a perfect, and this curve is hide, this curve is hide, and this plane is also hide, because surface body is a so nice, and so look is a very nice. Okay, okay, this is a correct. All curve, all plane is hide, then board surface body look is a very nice. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.